Old game shutters on new PCs, even at high FPS. Here is why and how to fix it. Old games aren't built for new PCs. Set the FPS limit to whatever you constantly get. Let's say it's 40 FPS to stop the shutter. I'll show you a simple method to cap FPS on any PC so you can make the game run smoother like butter. Open up Chrome and search MSI Afterburner. Select the official site and accept all and select the final. Once download and select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select the extract all. Once extract and open the application. Uncheck this Northern 360 for gamer. We need MSI Afterburner. Select install. Make sure the event tuner status server is checked and check next. Once the installation done, run MSI Afterburner finish. The close stuff here, we doesn't need MSI Afterburner, we need Rivet Tuner. Go to search menu and type Rivet Tuner status server and select yes option. And now click on the system tray. Rivet Tuner is running in the background. Just right click and select show. Click on add and navigate to the game folder. Select the exe file that you used to launch and select open. Set the FPS limit to whatever you constantly get. In my case, I get 40 and then press enter. Now, once you've done this, just minimize this. It will be running in the background. Now you can start the game. You can enjoy the game with a constant FPS, no shutter problem at all. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.